kung mag-over leverage ka or mag-over trade ka kasi, there are chances na yung na-hit mo na target mo for the day, baka mabawi pa. And mag-over trade ka palalo or mag-revenge trading ka palalo. Yeah. So that's why ang target ko lang is very minimal or very small for the day. Pero kasi kung kunwari consistent mo kasi siyang nai-hit, it will eventually grow. And that will lead to you know, ang binibuild up natin sa trading plan is yung behavior talaga. Which is yun ang mahirap talagang i-build. Yung trade. Madali lang yung technical, madali lang yun aralin eh. That's only 20% of becoming a trader. The remaining 80% is really your behavior, psychology, and all talaga. Yeah. Yun.
Correct. So talagang grabe. Ang talagang na build up dito kay Coach Ricky is yung paano niya i-manage yung greediness niya. So talagang grabe. Ang galing nga kasi nung mapanood ko rin yung mga ano niya. Kasi sobrang transparent yung training niya. Makikita mo talaga dun kung paano nag-build yung account niya from 400 to 3,000. So hindi ibig sabihin na alam mo yun, ganito lang kinikita mo eh hindi ka na magaling na trader. Para sa akin, it's not really about how big your profit is, but how consistent you are na nagpo-profit ka every single day.